Jai Hind students, I am Kanchan here, your English teacher, and this time I have taken the drama. The name of the drama is If I Were You, written by Douglas James. So first I would like you to introduce with characters. So here are two characters. One is Gerard and second is Intruder. So Gerard is a playwright by profession who has a great presence of mind, because in this drama you will read that he is able to get out from the situation where he was caught, and he was successful in trapping the intruder. Means he traps intruder who comes to actually kill Gerard, and you will come to know about this. And now next person is Intruder is a person who enters stealthily into any person's house. So the intruder is a criminal here who specializes in stealing jewelry, and he intrudes into the cottage of Gerard to kill him and to take on his identity. So Gerard is there living, and intruder wants to take his identity so that he could be saved from the police. Let's know what happens. And about this chapter, If I Were You is a drama written by Douglas James. The drama is a dialogue between the two persons. Gerard is a playwright, was disturbed by an intruder who intended to take on his identity by killing him. He fell into a discussion with Gerard, and using that time, Gerard made a false story which trapped the intruder. Finally, Gerard got rid of the intruder forever. So let's how. Now, Gerard lives alone in a lonely cottage. Cottage means a house, a small house, and an intruder is a person who enters stealthily, quietly, who is a criminal, enters his cottage. He intends to murder Gerard and take on his identity. Does he succeed? Let's know. And this will be your homework. Now scene is here, a small cottage interior, and there is an entrance back right, which may be curtained. Another door to the left must be practical door, means another door is for using practically, and the furniture is simple, and furniture is simple, and there is consisting of a small table towards the left, a chair or two, and a divan rather upstairs on the right. On the table is a telephone. When the curtain rises, Gerard is standing by the table making a phone call. He is of medium height, means not very short, not very tall, and wearing horn-rimmed glasses. And he wore horn-rimmed glasses. You can see here in this way. Now, he is dressed in a लॉन्च सूट एंड अ ग्रेट कोट. उसने लॉन्ग कोट पहन रखा, बड़ा सा कोट पहन रखा है, एंड हिज वॉइस इज़ कल्चर्ड एंड ही इज़ स्पीकिंग इन ए वेल मैनर्ड वे. वेल, एंड Gerard is speaking someone. Well, tell him to phone up directly. I must know. Yes, I expect I will still be there, but you must not count on that in about 10 minutes time, and right ho, goodbye. And he says anyone to be there. So here he says someone, not to be means that you keep faith in someone. So he is telling not to keep faith in that person. He puts down the phone and goes to the divan on the left, where there is a traveling bag, and starts packing. whilst he is thus engaged, because he is engaged in packing, because he wanted to move outside. And what happens next here? While Gerard was engaged in packing, another person similar in build, means he was same like Gerard in height and in like body, he was just like Gerard, enters from the right silently, and he entered into the house silently. Revolver was in his hand, and he is flashily dressed in an overcoat and a soft hat. See here, he has wore a coat and also a hat. So he bumps accidentally against the table. He just makes noisement by bumping on the table. And because bumping means to hit something to create noise, so he just hits the table to produce noisement. Now, and at the sound, Gerard turns quickly. When Gerard just comes to know about that hitting sound, he looks back. Then he sees that a person has already entered into his room with revolver. Now, but I told you, Gerard is very smart, and he is also very intelligent. So Gerard, just when he came to know that another person had already entered into his room, he didn't feel nervous. And on the others means instead he was speaking pleasantly, because he wanted to handle the situation. Why? This is a surprise. Mr. Because he didn't know his name, so he asked Mr. and he was not speaking because he didn't know the person's name. Intruder is saying. Intruder means the person who had already entered. I am glad you are pleased to see me. I don't think you will be pleased for long. Means intention is not right, and put those paws up. And he said, just hands up. This is all very melodramatic, Gerard is saying. This is, you are saying in a very dramatically way, in a very dramatic way, in a very, you can say, then Gerard just trying to handle the situation, and he said that you are doing all this in a very dramatic way, not very original perhaps, but intruder is saying trying to be calm and air. Okay, nonchalant. Gerard is saying nonchalant is your word. I think nonchalant is your word. So nonchalant means feeling or appearing calm and relaxed. Thanks a lot. Intruder is saying thanks a lot. You will soon